Hey there everybody, Happy New Year. This is Redneck Brian. I am out at the Yardworks Kart. Hopefully you can see it all right. It's not that sunny out here on a beautiful Friday the 1st. Here it is. Here's the motor. That is obviously not the original motor. The lawnmower motor from my one cold start video yesterday was this is original motor. This is a 13 horsepower overhead valve industrial commercial. It was originally had a 38-inch deck mower with it from an MTD. I've just put the battery in, my battery. I don't not have a positive bolt, so I had these vice grips. Check, make sure the negative is nice and tight. Yep. I'm about to put some gas in it. Let's see if it fires. This does have a bleed out on the carb, so we'll bleed the carburetor. She was completely dry. She leaked the gas, so shoot. It's never good. Here, I'll hold the camera while I pour gas. Try to at least. There we go. More than enough. That tank is off of an old fan. Got a cap. Brought the Redneck POS Redneck Craftsman pulling my trailer. Made it here no problem. A little bit of spin. I don't know if that's going to go back on. It was stuck when we got here. There we go. Okay, let's bleed the carburetor. Wipe off my hand because I don't want to touch gas on my camera. Make sure the fuel's on. There is a fuel filter. Hopefully nothing's clogged. We're dripping gas, which is not a bad thing. Put some air in the line. Let's see what happens when I bleed it. See if we get some gas. Nothing yet. So, I don't think I have the fuel on. Let me take a quick peek here. No, nothing in the line yet. There we go. I don't know if this fuel valve works or not. It should. There's a little spring on this piece here, so I gotta be careful. No, we're dry. Okay, let's try cranking the motor. I brought the cheater spray just in case. I may have to drain it and put the other one back on. If so, this will be a two-part video. I hope that doesn't have to happen. No, we're not getting nothing. May have to put the original valve back on. Let's just quickly see what happens. Here's the choke, pull the choke. Here's some gas. Now we're dry. Let's make sure there's a spark at least. Spray it with some cheater. Then I'll do some more work on it. This is a tricky one to get off. I designed it, but it fits in here just right. There we go. Air cleaner. There is oil. I have already checked the oil. Air filter. And yeah, like I thought, carbs dry. 1 minute. Brought the cheater spray just in case. But even a few sprays of this might get the fuel moving. Try that. I hope there's nothing wrong with the spark. choke up. Nothing. Okay, I guess this is gonna be a two-parter. Darn. No mouse nest, which is good. I gotta try to get some fuel to the carb. As soon as I do that, I'll see what happens, see if I can get it to start. I want to get it started up, but the oil move. It was not put away properly, I know that. I didn't put it away properly. The owner didn't put it away either. So let's see what happens. Okay, signing off for a few minutes. See you guys in a bit.